an AC source is rated as 220 volts 50 hertz, the time taken for voltage to change from its peak value to 0 is. So suppose that there is a AC source, so V0 is being provided 220 volts. Okay, so this is VRMS, right? So V0 will be is equal to VRMS into root 2, which will be 220 root 2 volts, and the frequency is 50 hertz. So understand that if I draw a graph between V and T, okay, so this is a sinusoidal function. So V is equal to V naught into sine omega t. This will be the sinusoidal function, right? So graph is coming out to be like this, right? So now the question says, first of all, understand this is the axis t. If you represent the graph of V versus t, right? So now if you see, according to your question, they say that time taken for voltage to change from peak value to 0. So of course this is going to be the peak value, which is V0. So peak value to 0. So 2 points A and B, 2 points are there. So time taken, they are asking this time. So as we know that this is one cycle, one full cycle, so this will take t time, right? So time period will be is equal to 1 upon f, which will be is equal to 1 upon 50 seconds. Perfect. Now they are asking only time, this one, because here potential is V0 peak value, and here potential is 0. So I'm just writing VA is equal to V0 peak value, and V at B is going to be 0. That means TAB is going to be this time, and we know that this time is T by 4, this will be T by 4, this will be T by 4, and this will be T by 4. So I can clearly see that T by 4. So T by 4 is going to give us 1 upon 50 into 4 seconds, right? Now solve this thing. So TAB is going to be 1 upon 200 if you multiply it with 10 to the power 3 or 1000, and multiplied with 10 to the power minus 3. So this should be 5. So this will give us 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. So which option has to be the right choice? Option number 4 gives us the right choice. So this was a logical question. You need to understand what they are asking. So average time they were asking from 0 to, from peak value to 0. So of course this is going to be the time period by 4. Understood? Yes.